My voice is rough today, but we're gonna go to Brewery X and have some things. It's gonna be great.
Oh yeah, I think I have that.
Okay, I got the cactus cooler one, which is really good. Look at how cute it is in here. I love it so much. We're going to the food truck because you gotta have food and drinks. Also, all I had was cheese and crackers so far. It's a vibe. Gonna eat some fried pickles and some chicken tendies with the beards and the booze.
Our house.
Now I'm drinking blue raspberry and it looks like Listerine. The blue Listerine. Ooh. That's good.
It tastes good though, yeah.
Elder.
It made it taste like a shame.
Be artsy like. Okay, this beer is a super rare beer, hard to find, called Pliny the Elder IPA. I'm gonna give it a try. Ooh, it's really good. Sitting outside in this tropical sunshine. I have a sandwich from Holling's Shed. Holling's Shed.
No,
Holling's
Holling's
Head.
Head.
I know. I'm gonna taste. Look at this thing. Mmm. Prosciutto and cheese and peppers and lettuce and tomato, and it's delicious. All right, so if you can even see me, we're in the Quill in Rhett and Delia's little neighborhood, and it's a vibe.
Steady? Where's steady at?
That's you.
Gonna do a forward, bro? I love it, man.
I don't know what she signed me up for.
You got your work cut out for you, bro. I've tried it, man. I'm trying to see what this is.
He doesn't even know what he's singing. Helium just signed him up. Listen, I put my song in. I'm nervous. Rhett, drink your water. Get hydrated. Hydro homies. Yes.
That's Meg's 222. So you all know.
There's a Canadian in here?
Yeah.
Yes.
here?
Canada. I'm here to remind you of the last you left when you went away. On there to remind me of the promise I made to you. I don't know. Musical interlude. Oh, cute. Look at their dancing. So fast.
Back in the crack, slapped in my face and took all of my gas.
Yeah.
Food and they want to get warm, but the sun won't turn, they form up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
me take a
Yeah.
drink. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tan in my hand and a gleam in my eye. Got my doped out gangster, set tripping bangers. So the homies in jail, so don't around my anger. Ooh, this ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life to where I go. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24 the way things is going? I don't know.
Not for long, the future is coming on. I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad. I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long, my future is coming on. It's coming on, it's coming on, it's coming on. It's coming on, it's coming on, it's coming on. My future is coming on. My future is coming on, is coming on. Good white woman wanted you was on the streets trying to consume some streets for the heat, so I can get some phones rolling on the ride, chilling all alone. Well, we see, let's just try to vibe this for all four girls and need to sweet. Roll these roads with 2 on 3. Thanks a lot on 2 on and Lewis. Some brothers shoot dice, so I said let's do this. I got out the ride. I said what's up? Some brothers shooting back, so I said I'm stuck. Something's gonna be good. Let us hardly hit the curve. Getting jacked, I'm breaking my stuff. I can't believe they take a warrant club. They took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the brother and said, damn, what's next? Guns to my head, I think I'm going down. I can't believe this happened in my own town. Things are I had to contemplate. I grabbed to the cut and I'm